I wanted to share a trade I just took and also just make notations for my own records about how it worked out. So on this trade, it's on my performance account, and I noticed that we had a nice sideways consolidation. And if you look at the 4 hour chart right here, what I also did before I traded was I looked at basically swing lows and swing highs. So I put what I felt like was the trading range at the bottom in green, top in red, and the middle in a black dotted line. So if we go back to the faster charts, the 5 minute charts, we're under the black dotted line, so we're in the lower half of the chart. So maybe the weaker half, possibly you could look at it that way. Anyway, so what I noticed is that now that we're in the lower half, we had sideways consolidation, and then we had a strong push down. This is a 5 minute chart. Strong push down on the 5 minute chart. We had four big 5 minute bars, and then we had a buyer's wick at the bottom. And then it started working its way back up towards the cloud. And the other thing that I did, I don't know if I didn't mention this before. Another support level that I was pretty sure was a strong support was this lower edge of the daily cloud. So this is the 4 hour chart, but I have the daily cloud on it just so I can see it. So what I did is I drew that edge in right there on the bottom edge. So this was going to be a support, and this was going to be a support in my mind. So anyway, I'm looking to take this continuation trade as it reacts off the 5 minute cloud here. And what I did was I was looking for the trend to change in the candle. So this candle turned red as it reacted to the cloud, and then this candle here had a lower high and a lower low. So I did get short here because I didn't want to miss it. Now what it did is it went in and put in a double top right there, and I had to endure that. But I had a fairly wide stop on this, a little bit wider, maybe a lot wider than I typically do, but I'm trying to be more conservative and just take the very best trades. And I think when I do that, I can actually give it a wider stop and still make money because the target's based on the stop. And on this one, because it was a 5 minute continuation play, which to my mind is one of the most reliable plays, I went ahead and put a 1.5 on it instead of my normal 1.1. And I was basically trading this pretty much, finding the setup on a 5 minute and then trading it on the 1 minute and on the 5 second. So anyway, I did get short there, and I had it put in a little squeeze there, squeezed out a few shorts with the double top there that happened up here. And then all of a sudden it just started shooting down. And the place that it rebounded was right in the middle of that zone that I'd marked. This is that lower edge of the cloud, and this is at those pair of swing lows from before. So it went right into that zone and caught a bid and pumped out of it. But I actually got out right here just above. So I got out just above that top one. So that was a 1.5R, and I was really happy with that trade because it was, for me, unfortunately, I trade kind of impulsively still quite a bit. And this one was really thought about, really strategized, really planned. And then I waited, and, I felt really good about that. So that was the trade. And I don't know if I'm going to do any more today because I got a big day ahead of me with other work. But that was a really good trade. And right now on my performance account, so far I'm just trading one performance account so far. But I have about 666 profit so far in that one. So yeah, see how this goes.